Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. As you can see, we are back to the super budget unboxing setup, and today over here we've got the Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro. Now Xiaomi has sent this amazing box, like it's a very fancy box. In fact, they sent two of those. Like I have one extra over here, and you know what that means, right? One of this box will go to one of you guys out there, and to know more about that, stick around till the end of this video. But anyway, right now let's go ahead and unbox the Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro. First up top, it says high definition wireless audio. Now once we open that up, inside we have the Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro themselves and some cards over here. Join us for the launch of the most powerful Redmi devices on September 3rd, curated Spotify playlist. So yeah, this is interesting. They have a Spotify playlist which is specifically curated for these earbuds over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and listen to them later on. Now let's go to the actual earbuds themselves. These earbuds are in this pink color, and in the other box I have the blue color. I'm going to go ahead and open up the blue ones because I like this color better. I got my tester over here, Tester OP in the chat guys, Tester OP. Alright. Now first up inside are some ear tips. So these are replaceable ear tips that you get. By default there will be an M size, and here you will get an S and L size. So you can put the ear tips according to your fit, and you can get the desired fit every single time. Then there are some manuals over here. This is always boring. Paperwork is always boring. Now I have to open it from the front as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright. And here we go. These are the earbuds themselves. Now let me quickly go ahead and remove the plastic because that's what you're here for, right? The plastic removal sound. Alright, so these are the Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro. The first impressions about the case are that the case is very small, and I really like the finish of the case. It's a matte finish, and this blue color is something else, man. I really like this blue color. It's looking amazing. It has a Redmi branding up top, and then here we have a USB Type-C port as well. So it is good to see that Xiaomi is including a USB Type-C port, because USB Type-C is the thing now. It's not the future, it's here. Let's go ahead and open up the case. So after I open up the case, there is some plastic over here. I'm just gonna quickly remove it. Alright, all the plastic is off, and now let me remove the earbuds from their case. So this is how the Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro look. They have a glossy finish up top, and frankly I would have preferred if it was a matte finish. So once you put them in your ear, they will have a glossy finish right outside over here. And I would have definitely preferred a matte finish over here. Now as far as the initial impressions about the fit goes, the fit does seem really good. Like it's a snug fit, it's not a loose fit at all, and I do appreciate that. Now as I said, you do get replaceable ear tips inside the box itself. So if the medium ones don't fit you, you can go for the small ones or the large ones, and you can get the desired fit. Now let me quickly get my smartphone and pair these earphones, and we'll test out the main thing, that is sound quality. Alright, so this is my Mi 11X over here, and yes, I am using the Mi 11X right now because I really like this smartphone. So I switched back to the Mi 11X. Now let me quickly go ahead and set these earphones with this phone. I'm just going to quickly open them up and let's see if they pop up. And yes, the quick pair function is working. Find Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro. I'm just going to go ahead and connect them. So this is a good sign that Xiaomi has included the quick pair function with Xiaomi phones at least. That is a great thing, and that is always very convenient. So yes, it's done. It's showing me the case battery percentage as 84%, and both the earbuds have 100% battery. That is a good thing. Now let's go ahead and listen to some music. I'm going to open up Apple Music, and yeah, let's go for Emiwe Bantai. Alright, as far as my initial impressions about the sound quality go, I'm going to say the sound quality is like a 7 out of 10. Like I would have loved to see a little bit more volume over there, and the bass is a little bit more than I would like it to be. Like the focus is clearly on the bass, and I particularly do not like that. I prefer a more flat sound profile, like a balanced sound profile. But if you're someone who likes bass, then you're going to like these earphones, because yes, the bass is definitely powering over here. But the overall sound quality is not bad by any means. As I said, it's a 7 out of 10, and that is a good rating for the earbuds which come at this price point. So yes, those are my thoughts about the sound quality. Alright, hey guys, Harsh here. This is a very quick microphone quality test of the Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro. You guys let me know about the audio quality coming from this device in the comment section down below. Is it good? Is it bad? Whatever it is, let me know about that in the comments down below. Thank you. Now anyway, apart from that, these earbuds do come with the automatic wear detection feature. So for example, if you remove one earbud, the music will stop playing, and as soon as you put it back in, your music will resume. Automatic wear detection is a very good feature and works really well on these earbuds. Now Xiaomi claims that these earbuds have a battery life of up to 30 hours. Like with the case and with the earbuds themselves, you will get 30 hours of battery life. Now obviously I will test the battery life out and will update you guys about it on Twitter, so make sure you are following me on Twitter. I will post an update over there about the battery life. All in all, for the price of rupees 3000, I'm going to say these earbuds are good, but there are better sounding alternatives out there, like the Realme Buds Air 2. Those earbuds are my go-to choice in this price range because they offer active noise cancellation as well. It is now time to talk about the giveaway. Yes, I will be giving away a pair of Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro, and here's how you can enter. First up, make sure you are subscribed to the channel because that is very important. Second, like this video. And third, go to Instagram and follow .company_in. So at .company_in, that's our own clothing brand. Go ahead and follow .company and you will be entered in the giveaway. And a lot of exciting things are going around with .company. In fact, this t-shirt belongs to one of our new launches, which is coming very soon, in fact in a couple of days. So make sure you're following .company on Instagram and Twitter because you don't want to miss those updates. We have some awesome products coming very soon. So anyway, that's been it. These were the Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.